So I dumped my gold in my garbage disposal.
Just stupid. Just stupid.
So where did this gold come from? For that, we need to slow it down. On a 2-day trip to Vermont, day 1 was spent shoveling, scooping, cutting tree brush, and finding that shiny yellow stuff. Day 2, I was back at it, hauling in gear and running material. This material came from the backsides of small boulders, soil mixed with hard-packed clay, tight inside bends where test pans were showing consistent color, gravel bars on the edges of slopes, wading around and digging in plunge pools that had material right off a bedrock face drop zone. The gold was showing up all day long. So after cutting, shoveling, and processing material, I headed home. I literally had just a little bit of black sands in one of these, and because I was just cleaning up some stuff. The other one had the gold in it, and I thought I was dumping the black sands, just the little micros, in the sink. It's raining outside, so I'm just gonna dump them here. I dumped the gold out. That's first. So I got this door open. Let me try to get the garbage disposal off. See if I can get the gold out of it. All right, we got that out. Just gotta get this gasket, this collar off, and let's see what happens. I installed this years ago, so I know how to put it back together. It's just, I don't know if everything sank down, and I don't know. We'll just see. This is so gross too. There's all coffee grinds stuck in here. So I think the gold is stuck in the coffee grinds now. I'm gonna go get a bucket from the work truck. See if I could just stick this in a 5-gallon bucket and just plunge it up and down. I'm literally in a commercial grade Hellman's container. So I gotta take the bottom of the trap apart too. So I'm gonna take that apart and drain that out. See if there's anything in there. This is so gross. Oh, there's gold down there or not. All right, we moved the operation to the bathroom. I'm working on it. I got some of the gold. I got some recovered, but I don't think I'm going to get it all. My uncle just called me. My uncle Sully, Stephen. And we were laughing on the phone. I think I'm the only guy in Massachusetts who dumps gold down a garbage disposal. Anyway, all put back together. I was able to recover some of the gold, but I lost most of it. So here's the gold I was able to recover. Glad I found some of it. The truth of it is I lost about 80% of the gold, easily. Day 2 blew away my expectations. I remember at one point in the day just digging around being like, I cannot believe I'm finding this much gold in this area. It may have been one of the best days I've ever had out. So for this to happen was kind of like, I guess, punishment for trying to dump a little bit of black sands down the sink. So, well, that was ridiculous. Don't dump your gold down the sink. Lesson learned. Hope everyone's doing great. Thanks for watching. Be well.